हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल ज्योमेट्री चैप्टर 4 एनसीईआरटी बुक में प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं और आज आपके सामने एक नया वीडियो के साथ उपस्थित है। इसमें हम लोग बहुत सारे चीज़ नया देखने वाले हैं, लेकिन अब तक आप कंस्ट्रक्शन के सारे गूढ़ मंत्र सीख चुके हो। अब हम लोग बिना कंपास हमारे यूज किए भी हमारे डायरेक्शन मिलने के साथ आप कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो। जो हमारे चैनल में नए जुड़ रहे हो वो हमारे पुराने वीडियो जरूर देखो, ताकि आपके प्रीवियस नॉलेज भी बढ़ जाए। और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो, ताकि वीडियो बनाते के साथ आपके पास उपलब्ध हो जाए। इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखो। जल्दी ही हम लोग इस चैप्टर को खत्म करने वाले हैं, तो बाकी बचे वीडियो को देखना मत भूलो। चलो।
Now, in Mathematics Sala, here we want to discuss some special cases. Some special cases means parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. These construction of these special cases we have to discuss. Now, very first, I want to discuss the example 5 of your NCERT book, that is, draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Now, here is the point of discussion that you need 5 informations to draw a quadrilateral. Here is only one information, that is a side of 4.5 centimeter. Now, but it is given it is a square. Then in case of a square, square is the quadrilateral having all its sides equal and all angles are of right angle. सारे के एंगल कितने होते हैं? 90 के. Now, इन पॉइंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए you have to construct the quadrilateral. Then, as usual, draw the rough sketch, rough figure. That is, here READ is the square, rough figure for the square, and REAAD and RD all of 4.5 centimeter. Now, the angle REA equal to 90. You can say that angle A or angle D or angle R all are of 90 degree. Then this is very simple to construct. First of all, draw a line segment RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then at point R and at point E, construct right angle using compass, and let us say that angle ERY and angle REX both are of 90 degree. Then in next step you have to take 4.5 centimeter radius, and then after taking 4.5 centimeter radius, take R and E both as centers and cut two arcs of radius 4.5 centimeter from EX and ER. Then join A and D. After joining A and D, the quadrilateral, or you can say square, READ is the required square. It is very easy. Now you are able to construct after getting hint, and those new students unable to use compass and scale can suggested to go through my channel and get the previous videos and refer the previous videos for their use. Now let us come to example 6. This is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD where BD equal to 6 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter? Justify your answer. Then what you have to do? First of all, two sides BD, two measurements are given, BD equal to 6 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter. Can we use these measurements to draw a rhombus? And name of rhombus is ABCD. Then you have to justify. Then first of all, draw a rough figure. ABCD, name it ABCD, and then find BD. BD, here BD is a diagonal and AC is another diagonal. That means two diagonals of a rhombus are given. Now we know the diagonals bisects perpendicularly in case of the rhombus. Now after that, just take AC as the base or the initial line segment. Why like that? Because 7 centimeter is odd and we can calculate 6 by 2, that is 33 centimeter. Now here, if the point of intersection is O, here it is O. In that case, this BO and DO both are of measurement 33 centimeter, not 3.2, it is 3 centimeter, and also here it is 3 centimeter. Then what you have to do? what you have to do here? First of all, draw AC as I am showing the steps of construction. Now just take first AC, and the length of AC is 7 centimeter. Take the radius more than half of the length AC and taken A and C as centers. A and C as centers, and two arcs are drawn in opposite side of the line segment AC. The arcs intersects at two different points in opposite side of the line segment AC. Find the point of intersection and join using the broken lines. And let us call the point of intersection of the line segments as O, and call the line segment as XY. XY. Here is the line point Y. Okay, and then just half of another diagonal is 3 centimeter. Take a radius 3 centimeter, and after taking radius 3 centimeter and center O, you have to draw two arcs intersecting the line XY at two different points B and D. Then next step, you have to join AB and BC and A and D and C and D. After joining all 4 points A to B, A to D, B to C and C to D, ABCD is the required rhombus. Now we'll meet in next video. Just I am going to prepare next video. चलो हमारे वीडियोस को देखते रहो, हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहो, मैथमेटिक्स शाला से जुड़े रहो, और इसी तरह के इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करो। बाय। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग मिलते हैं।